For the first center, you are going to be reading the passage. Make sure that you read it 3 times, and then you're going to answer the questions. Make sure that you use your passage to find your answers. For the second center, we have adding the suffix S. So there are multiple dogs, so I need to add an S to the end. You will need your interactive notebook for this, and you're just going to cut and glue the picture next to the word. I left these here so you could use them as an example. And for the last center, you're going to take these cupcake cutouts and make compound words. For example, they gave you the first one, cup and cake makes the word cupcake. So here we could say out is our first word. So out. And our second word would be side. Put the words together. We have out, side.